Good morning, boys and girls. I'm so excited that you are here. Today, we are finally getting into the teen numbers. There was a couple numbers there that had 2 digits. Remember, a digit is just a fancy word for a number, but the number itself, it's one number, but it's made up of 2 digits. So, we are talking about 13. And this is where it comes into play. T-E-N, T-E-E-N, teen. Thir is kind of like 3, but 13. And to write it, all of our teen numbers is, the teen just means that it has a 1 in front of it. There's a 1 in front of it. And thir sounds like 3, so there is a 3. 13. Let's practice counting how many gumballs we have. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 13 gumballs. Remember our 10 frame. Our 10 frame at the top is all filled in. So 13 is 10 plus 1, 2, 3 more. Using our tally marks, remember that when the cross is going across a bunch, it's 5. So we say 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then remember that this is a stick, and it represents 10. So we say 10, 11, 12, 13. These cards will be helpful for you to keep and practice. And as we get more of them, you can cut them apart. They can be flashcards. You can ask a sibling or an adult. Be like, quiz me. See how quick I know what number it is. Okay? All right. For our page, we've already done this one twice. We did it with 11 and 12. You're going to trace the number, decorate the number, complete the counting. So what number comes before 13, what number comes after 13. You just have to fill in the 13. Complete the base 10 blocks to show 13. Draw 13 using 10 frames. This page might help you. And then highlight all the 13s in the boxes down here. Easy peasy, right? This page we've also done twice. We did it for 11 and 12 as well. So you're going to trace the 13s. There's a bunch, but you know what? Practice makes us better. And we're always able to get better. Even adults are able to get better. This empty space on the line down here is for you to practice your own 13s without having the pattern track to follow. And then you're going to practice tracing the word 13 to practice spelling it and practice writing our letters. This is our new page. Let's color with number 13. Now, don't color all the owls or all the peaches or all the leaves or, oh, my favorite, all the coffee cups. We only want to color how many? We only want to color 13. There might be more than 13 here. We don't want to color all of them, right? All right, so I'm going to start with the owl. You can color your owl whatever color you want. I'm going to count. 1. Sometimes I like to just put a dot, and then I know to come back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, the 13th owl takes me all the way to the bottom. Now, I made a dot on my owls, so that way it's easier and quicker for me to go back, because sometimes when I'm taking my time coloring, I might forget what number I left off on, and then I'd have to start all over again and start counting from 1. But I see this one has a dot on it, so I know that I counted that one, and I need to color that one. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to color it. And if you have crayons or markers or colored pencils, you could even add detail to your owl. You could color them light brown, and you could color them dark brown in some spots, or whatever color you wanted to. You could give his little cheeks a little pink rosiness. Maybe he's warm and toasty in the winter time. So you can add detail to him by adding color. And look, this one has a dot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to finish coloring all my owls that I put dots on. And then I know that I'll have 13 colored in owls. And I'm taking my time. I'm not rushing. I'm trying to stay in the lines as best as I can. And then I'm going to go to the peaches and I'm going to try. I'm not going to try. I am going to count 13 peaches. And then I'm going to count 13 leaves and color those. And 13 coffee cups and color those. And then when you're done, you're going to snap a picture and turn it in, and you're going to show me your amazing work, and I can't wait to see it. Have fun counting, guys!